Verify the contents and expiration date of the solution. Make sure the receptacle into which you will pour the solution has been placed near the edge of the sterile work surface. If you're using a sterile kit, it will include a cup or plastic molded section into which the fluid can be poured. Keep the receptacle away from the outer 1-inch margin of the sterile field. This area is not sterile. Using a downward motion, remove the seal and cap from the bottle of sterile solution. With your dominant hand, hold the bottle away from the sterile field with the lip of the bottle 1 to 2 inches above the inside of the sterile receptacle. The label of the bottle should face the palm of your hand to keep it from getting wet and perhaps becoming illegible if the solution splashes. Slowly pour the amount of solution you need into the container. Don't let any of the fluid splash onto the sterile field. This may cause a strike-through and can contaminate the entire field. If agency policy permits, recap the bottle with your hand. On the label of the capped bottle, mark the date and time the solution was opened along with your initials.